Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and maybe a build. We'll see. So stand by and we'll get the kit and get it unboxed. Okay, here is the kit. Yes, you're not seeing things. This is a Cup of Noodles model kit from Bandai. My wife and daughter picked this up for me over the holidays, and you know, this hobby is just about having fun. And this actually looks like it might be a little fun to build, and sometimes just building a fun, easy kit sometimes is good for a builder, just to, you know, get back to some basic things and just build something and just knock it out maybe real quick, just to have some fun. So we're going to open this up and take a look at it. Okay, here we go. This is playing with knives and cameras at the same time. Kids, don't try this at home, or get your parents to help you. Okay, there's a wrap. Okay, so let's take a look. Alrighty, what do we got in store here? Okay, well, everything's colored already. That's cool. So it looks like we got our noodles and some of our logos and stuff. I'm imagining these are parts of the cup. And, oh, more noodles. Wow, those look kind of cool. You know, I could probably wash those a little bit with a dark brown maybe, make them stand out. I don't know, we'll see. And then we got, oh, this is the body of the cup. So everything seems to be molded in color, which is nice for a really simple little kit. Okay, what do we have? Oh, we got shrimp. We got corn. Oh, these are the letters. Looks like the bottom of the cup. This must be our meat or meat byproducts or whatever those are. And we have decals and some more, like some rings, some highlight rings. Corn. Can you figure that? Wow. Okay, and what else do we got in here? We got the directions. Okay, so directions are in color. Okay, yeah, so this looks like it's going to be a pretty easy assembly. Yeah. Okay, well, let's just get going on this and see where it takes us. So I'm going to grab some, well, probably don't need any glue. I'm going to grab some cutters and we're going to get going. So let's get to the build. Okay, here we have some of our sub-assemblies, I guess you'd call them. So the sub-assemblies for the cup are ready to go together. You know, this kit is very well engineered. It's a Bandai. I mean, kind of, you know, these kind of kits are going to be pretty well engineered. No real tools need. I mean, outside of a cutter to cut the pieces away from the sprues. One thing I will say is on these parts that go inside, they fit inside, especially these. So this is one piece. The red is a completely different piece, and then each white part of each letter has to go in there, and then this one on the bottom. So especially on these, you'll want to have a sanding stick handy to knock off those burrs if there's anything left after you've cut them off the sprue. Otherwise, they don't really want to fit too well. So be cautious of that. And otherwise, just follow the instructions. The instructions, even though they were color... Whoops, sorry, bumped the camera. The instructions, even though they were color on the one side, they are black and white on the inside, so you have to pay close attention to the callouts for the numbers and what sprue they're on. They're all very well marked. This is the H sprue. This was the B sprue, so you can see right there. So you just got to pay attention to the instructions, and it goes together pretty easily. So I'm going to get to the next stage, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we have our Nissan Cup Noodles by Bandai. And as you can see, it's a pretty easy, quick assembly. They even have a sticker for the barcode. These stickers were, they weren't hard to put on, but some of them are just super, super small. And I had to use some tweezers and a hobby knife to get them off the paper. They're not water slide, they're actual stick-on stickers. And the top is removable. And check it out, I'm actually, the stickers that they used to put on the shrimp are just kind of an orange plastic, and then the sticker actually makes it look like a real shrimp. I'm actually surprised. So, okay, so that was a fun little build, and cool. So, yeah, this was fun. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, please subscribe. This is just for fun. This hobby is for fun. I know this isn't my normal model build video, but you know, it is a model and we built it and we had fun doing it. So with that, we'll end this episode. And as always, be safe out there and go build something.